Fabricon Pipe and Labour Hire. Fabricon Pipe and Labour Hire is celebrating its 10th anniversary, a significant and proud achievement for a growing company within a highly specialized and competitive engineering industry. We are a specialist mechanical engineering service and equipment provider, concentrating on off-site and on-site development and projects. Fabricon Pipe and Labour Hire has a well-established track record of providing the highest standards, the best services and top-caliber people, perfectly skilled with the specific job at hand. Selwyn Swartz, the company's managing member, began his professional engineering career in the petrochemical industry, and his extensive experience and sound management skills have been fundamental in securing work from high-profile corporates. The company has worked on a number of major development projects, and our ability to respond quickly with innovative and effective solutions has cemented our reputation as a recovery projects specialist. We have the capacity to deliver in the shortest possible time and have become very good at distance project management. Our strategic approach enables us to meet the challenges of change in the modern chemical environment, while allowing us to provide sound business advice and at the same time actively seek out opportunities for future growth and business success. Achievements: Quality Management System. Our quality management system, in accordance with ISO 9001-2000, had been implemented in 2004. We have been re-accredited in 2006, affirming the company's commitment to quality systems. We have further upgraded our quality management system in 2010 to ISO 9001-2008, accredited by the SABS. Customer focus. In 2004, Fabricon had the pleasure of being part of a pilot project launched by the services CETA, introducing a system focusing on customer services called the Star 3 Grading Focus. BBBEE. In accordance with DTI requirements, we have a level 1 rating with 135% procurement recognition. CIDB. The Construction Industry Development Board was established by Parliament, Act 38 of 2000, as a statutory body to provide leadership to stakeholders and to stimulate sustainable growth, reform and improvement of the construction sector for effective delivery and the industry's enhanced role in the country's economy. In 2006, Fabricon registered with the CIDB in the mechanical, civil and structural steel sectors. In 2008, we further upgraded our grading to 6 MEPE Mechanical Engineering, 3 CEPE Civil Engineering and SLPE Structural Steel Engineering. Due to growth and targeted projects, we found it necessary to further upgrade our status in 2010 to 6 MPE Mechanical Engineering, 6 CPE Civil Engineering and 5 SLPE Structural Steel Engineering. You are reassured that your business is with a company that is being evaluated financially, skills ready and systems ready, and accredited capable to handle work that we offer to carry out. Our people. One of our most precious resources is our people. Training and equipping the team in areas like customer focus is necessary in order to unfold the company's vision. Employee recognition awards is part of an encouraging individual performance. Team building is the art of bringing all skills together in a systematic approach to achieve a common goal. Social responsibility. Some of the initiatives that we have been involved in over the past years. We have funded a school holiday program held by the Voluntary AIDS Testing Center here in Wentworth. We pay 10 learners school fees at Umbilo Secondary School. This was done by selecting 10 learners from learners that have completed an application that had this offer. We are pleased to have been part of a Christmas reality for these disadvantaged kids at St. Monica's home in Marine Drive. We have doubled funds raised by the Brighton Beach School towards a fundraising drive for the Shepherd's Keep Home in the Bluff for abandoned babies. After assisting with repairs to a wheelchair for one of our regular visitors, a Mr. Alan Sass from the Meerwen Cheshire home, we found it necessary to trade in a high-maintenance wheelchair and sponsor the cost difference for the replacement of an automated wheelchair. Suppliers. Fabricon also applies with empowering philosophy to the suppliers. It has been instrumental in their growth and success. We know how difficult it is to establish yourself in this market and have always believed in creating opportunities for our suppliers. It is all part of our ethos to positively impact those around us. Being successful is also seeking ways to ensure that others are successful. In the hazardous environment like the petrochemical industry, fire retardant blankets is part of everyday life, which is a blanket used for shielding sparks from the vapor and fuel for fire prevention. We normally procure these from a specialized engineering supplier. When we discovered DSSD, which is an NGO in Wentworth run by Alan and Adele Walker, who employ only disabled people, offering them various services, we looked for an opportunity to do business with this organization. One of the items was to manufacture fire retardant blankets. We approached them, and as seen below, it is one of our first delivery of the blankets that has been produced to the required standards. Technology and services. We are passionate about offering the best to our clients, and in order to assure this, it is important for us to stay abreast of the latest technology, offering the industry the best there is to offer, no compromise. We introduce all our new laser alignment machine, one of the first in the country, Optilin Plus. In 2007, mechanical piping and civil upgrade project in Ladysmith at the Petroleum Depot completed in 2008. In 2008, we are pleased to have been awarded the flagship project of the replacement of a 3x marine loading arms at Durban Island View. The installation program had to run in parallel with a refinery shutdown to avoid another outage and to prevent any fuel shortages in the country. Although challenging, and ongoing manipulation of activities to ensure progress is not compromised, the project was a success and completed on time. In 2008, we were awarded the mechanical piping upgrade project in Witbank, which is completed now in 2009. In 2010, Fabricon are pleased to have been awarded another project for the installation of a 4x marine loading arms at Durban Island View, Berth 6. The project scope was a mechanical pre-assembly and instrumentation for the preparation of new arms. In other words, pre-assembly of arms prior to installing, pressure testing, hydraulic tubing installation, and hydraulic systems flushing and commissioning. In 2010, a mechanical piping and a civil project in Tarleton at a petroleum. Continual improvement. On our capital projects, we hold close-out sessions as part of the continual improvement culture. We break the team away from the busy office or the on-site environment, and we go away where each department presents their performance on the project against our standards, operating procedures, and interaction with the internal and external customers. The internal customers take the opportunity to critique the department, giving the presentation and pointing out where there is opportunities for improvement. The quality representative also uses these sessions to point out where standard operating procedure was not complied with, and also to identify quality systems improvement. A closeout report is thereafter generated indicating customer feedback and acknowledgements, non-conformance, project budget report, and safety performance, and a role plan to implement improvements. This ensures continuous improvement. Future. The company is diversifying into a number of ventures that support our core business and is actively developing strategies in order to attract people who are serious about carving a career for themselves within the engineering industry. In addition, Fabricon recently doubled its plant and equipment and is now looking also to increase in its labor capacity. We know what we do well, and we have a pretty good idea of what it is the market is looking for. Wishing you all the very best and trusting that the past 10 years have brought you success and that 2011 continues to bring you blessings and strength to you all.